Welcome to my channel where you're going to get quick tips to grow your online business. So let's get started. Greetings, entrepreneurs. My name is Michelle Raleigh, aka the Savvypreneur, and I equip entrepreneurs with tips, tools, and strategies to help them grow their business. So I want to welcome those who are new to my channel and also those who are returning. So I've been on this content creation topic for the last 2 weeks, and today I may finish up, but I'm not too sure. I may come back with another video for you. But today I want to kind of talk about 3 things. And the first thing I'm going to talk about is documenting your content strategy. And why is that so important? Because you as an entrepreneur, you need to be documenting what it is that you're doing. So this way you will know what is working and what is not working. Meaning every strategy may not work for every platform. You can be on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So you want to make sure that what strategy may work for YouTube may not work for Facebook. So you have to be in the process of documenting that. And I would suggest that you don't overwhelm yourself and try to be every place. Make sure that you pick one channel that you know that your target audience is on and master that channel. You can spread out as you get more comfortable, but I want to say make sure you master one channel. So this way, you're not so stressed about, oh, I have to post here, I have to post there. Now, I know we have social media tools that will help you with that process, but you want to make sure that what you're doing with one platform is working, and then you can venture out. You can also have those who are following you to share your content on other platforms. This way it is getting you more engagement where you are. So you want to master that one platform. I'm going to keep reiterating that so it helps you to stay focused. Now, the next thing is make sure that the platform that you're using, the certain type of content medium is going to work on that platform. For instance, Facebook. Facebook does not like us to share links when we are posting because their whole initial purpose is to keep you or your followers on their platform. So they don't want them venturing out when you share a link. Those links are only for when you are creating ads or putting ad spend behind it. So then they'll share those links. Then they will, bring you before the feed when you are putting out ads. So when you are creating content on Facebook, especially video, because we know Facebook loves video. So you want to make sure when you're putting out video content, it is getting seen by your target customer, your target audience, because now you're doing it in the first of all, the platform that Facebook loves means video. Not saying you can't post static images or memes or things of that nature, but again, Facebook's goal is to keep people on their platform. So if you're doing video, the more you do video and hopefully long form video, maybe anywhere from 5 minutes to 10 minutes, then they're going to push you in the feed more because that is their goal. So when you are creating that type of content, make sure that you are not spreading yourself too thin and you're trying to be everywhere at one time. Because again, certain platforms may not like certain types of content, especially links or certain things like that, unless again, you're putting ad spend behind it. Master one platform. So this way you will gain the followers and you will gain those who are sharing your content, who are talking about your content even on other mediums to bring people to that specific page. So even when you create maybe a YouTube channel or you create your Instagram channel, then you have people that know about you and then they can follow you on those other channels. But you want to stay focused. And this is what I say to entrepreneurs that are just starting out, because it is, this thing going across the social media that, you need to be on all these platforms and you need to be posting all the time. But if you don't know, first and foremost, who you're talking to, if you don't know the problems that they're struggling with and you're just creating content because you're just trying to be out there, then you're hurting yourself and it's going to overwhelm you and frustrate you. So again, everything starts with a plan. Plan out your strategy, document it so you can go back and you can change up when you need to. So this is the reason why nothing is written in stone. Even your business plan is not written in stone. Hopefully you have one. It doesn't have to be this long, daunting business plan. It can be a one-page business plan, which I do have a free resource to that, and I'll link it below. So this way, if you want that, so you can go ahead and just kind of get certain things out of your head and you'll know what to do so you can be focused. You can, go ahead and grab that free resource. So now here is another part that I'm very passionate about when it comes to content creation, is delivering on your promises. So if you're telling your audience, maybe you have a free 5 ways to do X, Y, and Z, and they can download that. Make sure you're delivering on that. Don't just tell someone that they're going to receive something just to capture their email address. And when they get it, they are, disappointed or they're discouraged because you've gotten their email address, but you didn't provide the value, not only in your free offer, but please in your paid offers. If you are providing bonuses within your paid offers, and those bonuses that you're delivering are outdated, maybe they have low quality video, low quality audio, then you're really doing your audience a disservice, because you're putting out this bonus to push them to make a decision. But in the bonuses, they're left feeling, well, the bonuses wasn't what I expected. It wasn't something that I could even utilize. Because what some entrepreneurs do is when they've had past success with launches or different things they had offered, they'll go ahead and they'll offer that in another launch that they're doing. But the thing about that is maybe that material is outdated. Maybe those links don't work anymore. And if you had other people contribute to those bonuses, maybe they took that down and they're no longer offering that. So if you're using that to basically get your audience to purchase from you based on the bonuses that you say you offer, make sure they are up to date. Make sure those who have contributed bonuses for your launch or whatever that product or service is, that they are high quality video and audio, because it's going to reflect on you as the business owner. It's going to reflect on you, regardless of who has given you those bonuses or different things that they've created within their business. If it's no longer relevant, then it's going again to reflect on you as a business owner. Now, the second part of that I want to say is make sure that you are delivering in a timely manner. Don't tell someone that when they purchase this product or service from you, you're going to create this, what I would say, maybe a logo for them, or you're going to create some type of graphic design for them. But because you've overextended yourself, now it may be 3 to 6 months before they even receive that from you. So make sure that you are delivering on a timely manner, and state that, if there is some type of waiting list, state that before they purchase from you. Don't say, oh, you're going to get this as soon as you purchase, and we're going to get this to you. Because I've experienced that, where I bought a product and it was a promise of a logo package, and I think I waited like more than 90 days to even receive it. And it was part of the package that I purchased. So you want to make sure that you are letting your audience know that you're going to deliver to them in a timely manner the promises that you said. Okay, so now the last thing that I want to leave with is, please don't overwhelm your audience with too much content. Because if you're trying to offer a product or service and you're saying, well, we have, 10 bonuses and you're going to get this and you're going to get that, and you're thinking that by doing that, it's going to cause people to just go ahead and purchase from you. But the truth is that sometimes it overwhelms them, because they're saying, wow, that's a lot. Even though I want that, but that's a lot. Am I really going to use it? It's going to be sitting on my computer. Because I don't know about you, but I purchased products or services from people who had so many bonuses in it, and it's still somewhere sitting on my computer, and I have not utilized it because it was just too much. It overwhelmed me to the point of where I didn't even utilize it. So you don't want that for your, customers. You want to make sure that whatever they purchase from you, that they're putting into action, that they're actually implementing it. So why not save that and use that as an upsell. Once they've gone through the product or course or whatever that is, then you can come back maybe within 30 to 60 days and say, listen, I have this upsell, that you can, utilize. It's part of that package that, you can utilize in this way. And you can just basically explain it to them because they've had time to go through your product, or they had time to go through that course. They had time to see if it worked. They had time to implement it. So now when you offer them something that is an add-on, it's just going to be even more better for you and for them, because now it has not overwhelmed them to the place of no inaction, for them taking no action on that part. So I hope that these tips have helped you. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions. So this way I can come back and I can provide more content for you based on those questions. Please like, comment, and share, and I will be back with you on the next video to help you up level in your business. Have a great day.